show you how to scan documents as a PDF on your Android phone. So to do this, first open the Google Drive app on your phone. Now here tap on the plus icon at the bottom and then select scan. So this will open this camera app. Now select next to continue. Now simply point your phone's camera towards the document and it will automatically capture it. Now move to the second page and do the same. So as you can see, the Google Drive app is automatically capturing the documents without me having to do anything. So repeat this process to scan all the pages and then tap on next. So here you will see the preview of all the scanned documents. You can use the filters to apply grayscale or change the effect from here. You can also use this clean feature to remove unwanted objects from the scan. Similarly, you can also use this automatic AI cleanup option so that the Google Drive app automatically applies the appropriate filter. Once you are satisfied, simply click on next. Now here you will see the option to save it as a JPG or a PDF. So simply select PDF and then hit upload. Now simply wait for your scanned document to be uploaded and then you can open it and see how it looks. You can then share it with anyone you like.